Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel, Boss Your Money with Anthony. Today is going to be a little bit of a different kind of episode. I'm going to be answering some of your questions that you have left for me down in the comment section below. So if you do have questions on any of my videos, do post them in the comment section. So I will definitely be addressing them in the comment section, or I will be answering them in a Q&A video just like this one. It's most definitely going to be a very informative video. And who knows, maybe one of your questions also have been answered in this video. Stick around to find out. Let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to be picking out some of the questions that I've received, and the order of the questions are going to be the most recent questions to some of the older questions that I've received. The first question that I've received is from Tanzim's vlog, and they say, where is recipient wallet address? I cannot see. I'm assuming since it is from the Bitcoin video, you are asking me how to transfer money into the BitOasis wallet. And if that is the case, you need to go into the deposit tab. And once you're in the deposit tab, you can click on the Bitcoin button. And once you do that, you can see the recipient address right there. All you need to do is copy that and paste it onto wherever you're sending Bitcoin from, and you should be receiving it in your BitOasis wallet. The second question is from Sparrow Chills, and they say, hi, can you tell me how to cash out on Coinbase? I have about $40 in Ethereum and I want to cash out, but it doesn't show me the sell option. Please reply. So I'm assuming since you have commented on my UAE based Bitcoin video, I'm assuming that you do live in the UAE. And if you do, the best bet for you would be to actually transfer the Ethereum from Coinbase to something like BitOasis, and then you would be able to sell and cash out directly into your bank account in UAE as soon as possible. However, there is one thing. If your balance is just $40, it might not be a great idea for you to actually sell right now, because transfer fees and withdrawal fees can be quite expensive with any cryptocurrency, and $40 might deplete very quickly if you do decide to cash out right now. Question 3 is from S. Shetty, and they say, can we trade options in Sarva for US markets? If yes, what are their commissions? Unfortunately or fortunately, Sarva does not allow options trading or any other sort of trading. It is a very beginner level investment platform that allows anyone and everyone to start investing. It is not a complicated platform that is for professional traders. It is for someone who has a 9 to 5 job and wants to just start investing right away. It's the simple option. It is the beginner option. But having said that, I know from personal experience that it does work, and it most definitely is very, very good to use and does provide user-friendly experience. And having said all of that, if you haven't seen my previous videos on Sarva, please do check them out. If you do sign up with Sarva with my link in the description below, you will receive 250 dirhams directly into your bank account as soon as you make your first investment with them. Question 4 is from Mithun Das, and they say the website says only credit debit card accepted and 4.5% commission. It seems really high. Are there any other options? And this comment is on my Bitcoin BitOasis video. So I'm assuming they are trying to deposit some funds to start investing in BitOasis. And to answer that question very simply, I have mentioned in that video itself that charges are quite high, not just with BitOasis, but all of the cryptocurrency trading platforms out there. And that is because of the nature of cryptocurrencies. They are highly volatile, and all of these platforms need to have high charges to actually be able to sustain themselves. Having said that, Bitcoin in the last couple of weeks has skyrocketed and gone over double its value. So you shouldn't really be looking at 4.5% as a high interest expense. I've mentioned in all of my Bitcoin videos that investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency is highly risky. But if you do decide to go with a cryptocurrency investment, they have the potential to reward you exponentially. So keeping that in mind, 4.5% should not deter you if you are investing only your backup funds, and do not use any of your main cash pot that you use to save or invest in other instruments like servo. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investing should only be done with cash that you can spare, with cash that will not affect your life if you do by chance lose it by values of cryptocurrencies dropping. Question 5 is from Mr. Faisal 7886, and they say, I'm depositing amount to BitOasis but it shows cancelled. Anyone facing same issue? I have GCC issued debit card. So the best thing for you to do would be to contact BitOasis directly and get their feedback as to why it is being cancelled. But there might be a couple of issues that could be the reason why this is happening. One could be that your account is not yet verified. It is not yet been processed completely for you to actually start depositing and investing. Make sure you do check that everything is verified and everything is on track before you actually start depositing cash into your account. The second thing could be that you're trying to do a bank transfer. BitOasis does allow bank transfers, but it is currently not accepting any bank transfers. They are only accepting payments in credit cards or debit cards. And remember, if you do use your credit card, it is going to count as a cash withdrawal, and there will be other charges from your credit card company towards cash withdrawal charges. So keep that in mind, and I would highly recommend that you actually use your debit card only to deposit funds into BitOasis. The next question is from Satish Kumar, and they say, please make a video on crypto wallet and suggest a good wallet type. Also, please explain in detail how to store crypto in wallet. So I am working on a crypto wallet video. However, I will tell you this right now, that there are lots of different options for you out there in the market, and each wallet might or might not be suitable to you personally. It all depends on how much you are invested in cryptocurrencies and how much you want to protect your cryptocurrencies. You do have paid options, you do have free options. The paid options may or may not be good enough for you, and the free options may or may not be good enough for you. I will tell you that there are different types of wallets as well. You have web-based platforms that offer wallet storage like BitOasis itself, but these are not very secure to store your cryptocurrencies. There are then other platforms that actually store your cryptocurrency locally and not on the web. They can be mobile wallets, they can be desktop wallets, they can be key wallets, which you actually have a physical device in your pocket that can store your cryptocurrencies. There are various different options. The most suitable wallet for you is something that only you can decide for yourself. Keep that in mind and do your research so that you have a very specific answer to what you're looking for. The last question for this video is going to be from Earth Trotter, and they ask, how do you choose my stocks? And this is from the Sarva video. So I'm going to tell you that you are not able to choose individual stocks on Sarva. You only decide what kind of risk levels you're willing to take on your investments, and based on your risk profile, Sarva will choose a fund that is most suitable for you. It is balanced and it is diversified for your benefit, and the higher risk you take, the higher your rewards can be, but of course your risk is also going to be higher. If you choose a lower risk profile, your returns and your risks are going to be lower. I hope that clarifies. I hope all of your questions in this video have been answered. If you do have any more questions, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will include them in my next Q&A video. Please don't forget to turn the like button blue and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.